students, welcome to Shubhkaamna Academy, your favorite place to learn geography in the most fun way. Today we are handling the heart of India, the mighty and beautiful Peninsula Plateau. Do you know it is one of the oldest landforms in the world? Let's explore its location, formation, important regions, and why it is so rich in minerals and culture. Let's begin our journey through this rocky wonder. A peninsula is landmass surrounded by water on three sides. A plateau is a flat elevated land that rises above the surrounding area. So the Peninsula Plateau is a high flat landform in the southern part of India, which is surrounded by Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean. And it is called the Peninsular Plateau of India, which is an important physical region of India. And its location, it is lies to the south of northern plain of India, which covers a large area of central and southern India. And it stretches from Aravalli Hills in the northwest to the Nilgiri Hills in the south. And it includes the parts of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Odisha, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Its formation. The Peninsular Plateau is one of the oldest landforms on Earth. It was formed millions of years ago due to the breaking and drifting of the ancient landmass called the Gondwana land. And since then, it has faced many changes due to volcanic activity, erosion, and weathering, and making it rocky and rich in minerals. Deccan Peninsula Plateau, covering most of the South India. It's a triangular in shape and lies between the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. It is a rocky, dry region with many rivers like Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri flowing through it. The Deccan Plateau is rich in black soil and minerals. Composed of cold crystal and igneous and metamorphic rocks, and it is formed by the breaking and drifting of Gondwana land and has a broad and uneven surface. And again, it is divided into two, like Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Peninsula Plateau is famous for black soils, and it is rich in valuable minerals such as manganese, iron, mica, coal, bauxite, gold, and copper. Now, divisions of Peninsula Plateau. The Peninsula Plateau is divided into two main regions, that is Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Again, the Central Highlands, it is covers another part, while the Deccan Plateau, which covers the southern part. And each part has its own smaller plateaus and features. Let's explore them one by one. The Central Highlands, it is another part of Peninsula and north of the Vindhyas, which is known as the Central Highlands. And it includes the Malwa Plateau, Bundelkhand Plateau, Baghelkhand Plateau, and Chota Nagpur Plateau. It is bounded by again Aravalli Range on northwest, Ganga Plains on the north, and Vindhya Range on south. And the Central Highlands, which is wider in west but narrower in the east. So we are going to explore one by one. That is, first is Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau, which is located mostly in the Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. It has fertile black soil and which is suitable for growing wheat, cotton, and pulses. Next is Bundelkhand Plateau. The Bundelkhand Plateau, mostly which is in Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, and it is a dry, rocky region but has many historical forts and temples. Baghelkhand Plateau. Baghelkhand Plateau is famous for mineral deposits like limestone and coal, and it is also has many waterfalls and scenic views. Chota Nagpur Plateau. This is the Chota Nagpur Plateau, where it spreads across Jharkhand, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. And this region is called the storehouse of the minerals in India. It has iron, coal, mica, and bauxite, and also home to many tribal communities. Which is covers the most part of South India, and it is a triangular in shape. The Deccan Plateau lies between the western and eastern Ghats. It is famous for its volcanic black soil, perfect for cotton farming. It includes the parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Again, Deccan Plateau, which is rich in minerals, primary minerals ores, which is found in this region are mica, iron ore, gold, and other metals. All river basins which are good for agriculture. The chief crop is cotton. However, sugarcane, rice, and other crops are also common. Due to its volcanic origin, the land is formed in layers of lava, making the soil very fertile. The term trap comes from the Swedish word trappa, which means the staircase. When lava cools down, it forms step-like layers of rocks. So this is the why parts of Deccan Plateau looks like a stairs or steps. Western Ghats. These are the Western Ghats which is located along the western coast of India. The Western Ghats are steep hills that block rain, making the west coast very wet. And these are also called the Sahyadri Hills. And they are rich in forests, rivers and wildlife. Eastern Ghats, which is located along the eastern coast of India. The Eastern Ghats are not as high as the Western Ghats and are broken in many places by rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna. They are older hills and have many tribal settlements and rich forests. So, students, today we journeyed through the mighty Peninsular Plateau from Deccan to Chota Nagpur, from Ghats to Gondwana. We saw how nature, history, and geology shape this wonderful landform. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel, and stay tuned for more knowledge-packed geography videos. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.